Grand Rising traders. It is 7:20 or 6:21 a.m. Thursday, August 1st, 2024. And I'm back. Was gone since June 7th, post birthday. Had a bit of a throat cold, scratchy throat, couldn't talk. And as that was ending, got in touch with some people and I'm starting a new business. So that's what's taken up my time. That's why you haven't heard from me. But now I'm back. Don't know how the posting schedule is going to go because of the new business. But I'll try and make it as close to the old posting schedule as possible every day, except Saturday when I'm watching my MMA. That still happens. So let's get into it. Going back to, let's see here, boom. Going back to, what is this, July 14th, we can clearly see, because I have it marked on my charts, the 5,000 increment here. So from the 14th, we had a 5K, easily seen 5K run, went sideways for a little bit, had a retracement right here, then went sideways for a little bit. And then from here, this second green wick right here, not this one, but this one, to all the way up here, that's another 5K run. Okay. Excuse me. That's another 5K run. And from there down here into the support, that's a 5K retracement. So we've been seeing a lot of $5,000 movements since I've been gone. There's another one even further back, right through here. There's like 5,200, not 5K, but more of a 5,200 run if you do it across here. But yes, it touches from one to the other, and some people would think that's just 5K, but it's actually more than 5K because of the sideways movement, if you were able to take advantage of it. So coming back over here, I've been popping in and out of Torum.com, and I saw somebody in Torum saying that they were expecting a bull run, and I chimed in and said, not happening. And if you look on the chart right here, this level of resistance, or these two levels of resistance that I've marked as the must-pass resistance areas, they have been keeping us trapped below 70K for, I'd have to go back and check to be absolutely 100% sure, but right around 4 months, maybe 5. We haven't been able to, because our high, remember, is 73,835, if I remember correctly. So we haven't been able to get back to that 73,000 because of this first level of resistance right here. And once we do get past it, we haven't been able to break past this last level of resistance before we hit the 75K mark. Just isn't in the cards for us right now, guys. And apparently, trading history hasn't changed as much as I was expecting it to after the ETF. I have to throw out a correction right here. I was saying that past price movement was no longer viable because the ETF was going to change things. And that's actually a true statement, It's just not true right now. That won't happen until the ETFs have to come back to the market to grab new coin to fulfill new customers. Okay, so until they run out of their stockpiles and have to come back to the market, that's when history will no longer be viable. My bad for getting it wrong the first time, guys. There was a key component in my analysis that I had left out, and as time went on, that key component revealed itself again, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. This is how ETFs work. And that's the whole thing. It's all about how an ETF works, whether or not we'll see a super gain or the big takeoff in price that everybody was expecting the ETFs to do. Same thing goes for the Ethereum ETF. It's not going to take off until they run out of the stockpile of Ethereum that they had and have to come back to the well for new Ethereum. That could take years, guys. Be honest. Anyway, so we had another 5K run up into here. And a retracement back down into the same area. We have a nice little level of support down here that's been keeping us alive and in the game. Outside of that, we're stuck bouncing off of this support here and eventually finding our way back up to the first level of resistance. It's obviously happened right here. Come back over here. We drag this back over here. We can see our level of support. It's been there for a while. And our level of resistance, come back over here. This right here didn't actually make it up there. I think somewhere back here. Nope. Anyway, this is the levels that has been keeping us out of the game. I'd have to go back into maybe May for us to like look up here and see where we touched this again. I don't remember exactly when we hit the all-time high, but this was the resistance level that kept us away from 75K. So I'm going to call it quits for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, probably around the same time. Have a new schedule now because of the new company and my new workout. So I'll be doing these probably around 6, 7 at the latest. Anyway, guys, this is the Dark Sage, wishing you all a blessed day. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, this is the Dark Sage, signing out. Peace.